Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can restore your snap streak without paying. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and just search for Snapchat support. Open up the official Snapchat Help Center website, and usually we select I lost streak from here, but now they just changed the report option from there. So just simply scroll down here and select contact us, and a new page will load up. Mark the preferred option from here. I'll select I lost my snap streak, and a website will show you a tutorial here. Just scroll down and select having a trouble restoring snap streak, and then select no, and a form will appear in front of you. Just fill up the form correctly along with your username, the target person's username, and the streak score, and then your streak will be restored in a couple of minutes. And this is basically how you can restore your snap streak without paying. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.